Today Hunter will be attempting the perfect day of school. First, he wakes up on time. He does not need any assistance in waking up as he is perfect. He then arrives to school 10 minutes early. He is a good student. He can also drive, hence why he is showing off his keys. Hunter then locks in on his assignment for our math class. He does not mess around as he needs to be perfect today. In order to have the perfect day, you must have a healthy meal. A single piece of lettuce is healthy. Hunter does not like lettuce, but he will eat it anyways. Sports are the perfect way to keep a healthy body. Hunter is a professional basketball player, and so is his friend Joey. Hunter will see more friends today. This is Mason. He is Hunter's friend. This is Darren. He is tall. He is not as good at basketball as Hunter and Joey. Hunter and Joey do not have any clue what is going on in their class, but that's okay.
Alright everybody, guess I'm subbing today.
Hunter is still having a perfect day because even though he has no clue what is going on, the sub has saved him. That is Hunter's perfect day of school. Thank you.
Okay, go. You're really nice!
She's...
You're gorgeous! You're the coolest one I've ever met! I love your tattoos!
Thanks.
I like your outfits!
Thanks.
Bye! You're a really good teacher!
Okay. I think you scared me.
It's aggressive positivity.
Okay.
You're a really good math teacher!
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's aggressive positivity.